Leaf collection high-pressure roller washing sanitation. Leaf collection sanitation is an efficient environmental sanitation vehicle that integrates higher functions of the road cleaning. Road cleaning and high-pressure cleaning. However, it provides sufficient vehicles operating sidewalks, environmental sanitation, garden and other departments floor tile centralized manual leaks and road manual cleaning work. From which is leaf collection vehicle and the vehicle is equipped with the bottom section of this and a handheld pressure washing mode. The vehicle adopts a heavy-duty three-wheel chassis with a compact body and leaves. It is equipped with even if it is present to the floor tile removal, manhole covers and other public facilities. It will not cause any damage. It is very suitable for central high-pressure cleaning vehicle, which is pollution-free, low-noise, high-pressure cleaning system in non-residential area. During it can completely replace the high-pressure cleaning vehicle and road maintenance vehicle with a single function. The flushing pressure can reach 250 kT. Form 3 electric sweeper equipped with large brush and high-pressure suction cup can quickly clean road dust, small stones and white garbage. The combination of vehicle spraying, cleaning and dust collection has good effect and high efficiency. It can be used for cleaning and cleaning of auxiliary roads, non-motorized lanes, back alleys, municipal parks, and property communities.